I quit Amazon KDP. And because I made that one decision, I was able to finally start making enough money in my business that I could quit my 9 to 5 job and become a full-time faith-based author. All glory to Jesus. Here's how I did it. Now, if you've ever used Amazon KDP, you know what happened. So this is 2009 when I wrote and self-published my very first book. It was a Bible study guide. And if you've ever published through KDP, you know that if you don't price your book according to their little category, they take 70% of your money. So that's what happened to me. They were taking 70% of every sale that I made. And when I was working so hard to make these sales, I was only keeping like 25 cents. And one day I had a conversation with my hairdresser at the time, who was also a fellow entrepreneur. And I was telling her how I was working so hard. And if I made 100 sales that month, I still only walked away with 25 cents or with $25. And I was like, I can't live off $25. She said, wait a minute. You're making 100 sales and only making $25? I was like, yeah. She said, sis, you are working for Amazon. You need to take yourself off Amazon, put it on your own platform so you can make more money. And this thought never even occurred to me before. So that's what I started learning how to do. Your own platform just refers to a sales e-commerce platform that you own, that you maintain, and that you keep the profit for. That could look like your own website. That could look like another publishing platform that allows you to keep all your money. That could look like your own sales funnel, which is what I did and started making me money. All glory to Jesus. It totally depends on you. So I took my books off Amazon and I started selling them. At this point, it's like 2014. I started selling them on PayPal. So I used Wix to build my sales pages. I created these PayPal buy buttons and then I connected them together. And so I do all my marketing. When somebody go and purchase my devotional, I would log into Amazon KDP, order that book to be printed and shipped to the customer. But that allowed, because I sold it through my own platform, it allowed me to keep all the profit. Amazon didn't get to touch it. So you can still publish your book through Amazon. I'm not saying not to sell through Amazon. I'm just saying to sell on your own website. And when somebody purchases on your website, you keep all that money and then you just log into KDP and order that book to be printed and shipped to your customer. So here's what I did. I created my own sales funnels for my books. A sales funnel is basically a series of web pages that you put together that turns your leads or people interested in your books into a customer or somebody who's purchased from your books. I was using something called tripwire funnels. Tripwire funnels are basically where you unbox pieces of your book for somebody one at a time so you can make more money per sale. So in my funnels, they always start with a lead magnet, a free digital gift that you give to somebody in exchange for their email address. One of the lead magnets I used to have was 85 inspirational prayers of faith. I've had the free Find Your Purpose toolkit. I've had the free motivation minute. So a lot of different ways that you can create lead magnets. You're gonna set up something called a squeeze page, a one-page website that somebody can enter in their email address to get that free lead magnet. And when they enter in their email address, it should redirect to something called your tripwire page. This is the one-page website where you are gonna present your book for sale. Treat this tripwire page like an actual salesperson. So my tripwire pages, they usually have videos. I like to create something called video sales letters, and you're basically explaining to somebody why they should purchase your book. Hopefully, as a faith-based author, you have written a book that is a clear solution to a clear problem, because then it's easy to sell your book, right? Somebody has this problem, you present your solution, the book, and now all they have to do is purchase and they get the solution. That's why you always want to write books that are a solution to a problem, okay? So you set up your tripwire page, connect it to your squeeze page, and now you have a sales funnel. The last piece is your marketing and promotion. So keep doing what you were already doing to sell your books on Amazon, except now, instead of telling people to go purchase on Amazon, you'll tell them to go purchase in your sales funnel. You get the same amount of traffic that you were getting to Amazon, except now you get to keep the money. This one change alone allowed me to go from making $25 in my business to $1,200 in my business. It was mind-blowing. Just the one strategy. And what's crazy is I still printed my books through KDP. It's just now I got to keep ownership of the profit margin. I didn't have to share it with Amazon anymore because I was doing all the marketing. Now, if you need help doing this, I created something called the Faith-Based Author School, where I literally teach you exactly what the Lord allowed me to do in order to get my books off Amazon and turn them into sales funnels. Let me give you a little sneak peek of the Faith-Based Author School. So in the Author Toolkit, everything is already recorded and already available for you. So as soon as you sign up, you can get started with your book.
So first up is the Write Your Nonfiction Book Workshop that I was telling you about. All of these modules are already here. Finding your topic is 9 minutes. Creating your book methodology is 21 minutes. Creating your book outline is 22 minutes. Writing your book manuscript is 28 minutes. Copy editing your book is 23 minutes. Designing your book interior, 29 minutes. Designing your book exterior, 15 minutes. And then publishing your book, 12 minutes. So this is already recorded. So as soon as you sign up, you can go through and go ahead and make sure you have a book that solves a specific problem. And then in the author toolkit, girl, the ebook tutorials, 81 minutes. The workbook companion, let me show you some of this stuff. So this is the workbook that I created for the author brand class, right? It's so simple to do. So I show you how to do this step-by-step in the workbook class. The prayer journal, this one's 98 minutes. So let me show you the God Will Grow prayer journal. A lot of you guys have seen this on godwillgrow.com. I'm going to show you how to create these prayer journals step-by-step. You'll learn how to do it spiral, or you can do it the ones that don't have the spiral as well. So this is the one that I actually demonstrate for you inside the class. You can do a perfect bound as well. So you're gonna be able to get your prayer journals done. I'm also gonna teach you daily devotionals. If you remember, I have the Find Your Purpose daily devotional. So this tutorial is 120 minutes long. I literally record myself doing it. So you can follow along step by step. So you'll know how to do daily devotional step by step. I'm also going to teach you Bible study guides. If you remember, the very first book that I published was a Bible study guide. So I'll show you how to do these as well. These make fantastic companions to your books. I'm also going to show you how to do a daily planner. If you remember on godword.com, I have my daily planner, the Legendary Purpose Planner. One of the very first planners that I had was the 30-Day Success Planner as well. If you remember in my original Boss Filmmaker Chick, so I have this planner. So you can do this many different ways. So I show you how to do a daily planner in that class. I also am going to show you how to do a digital planner as well. And you're going to learn how to do a journal. And one of the really, really fun ones is the adult coloring books, the coloring books for adults. So this is the one that you're going to see me create and self-publish in this 2-hour class. This is so pretty. And this one is all about mindfulness, right? How to worship the Lord while we are being present and helping ourselves to get rid of anxiety. You're going to learn how to make these step-by-step inside of the adult coloring book class. So all that is already recorded, already available for you as soon as you sign up. So when you join the God Will Grow Faith-Based Author School, you'll get access to the author toolkit that includes the Write Your Nonfiction Book Workshop, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish an ebook, a $497 value, how to create a workbook companion, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a prayer journal, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a daily devotional, a $497 value. You're going to learn how to write and self-publish a Bible study guide, a $497 value, how to create and self-publish a coloring book, a $497 value, how to write and self-publish a daily planner, a $497 value, and how to create and self-publish a notebook journal, a $497 value. All these recordings are already there. They show you how to do it step by step so you can bundle your book. The whole goal is so that you can bundle your book, sis, so you can offer it through a sales funnel. So to get started, go to christianauthorschool.com, christianauthorschool.com. Let me show you what that page looks like. It'll take you to this application form. Go ahead and fill out this application form, hit submit, and that's how you'll be able to get access to the brand new God Will Grow Faith-Based Author School.
So if you're ready, go ahead and go to christianauthorschool.com to get signed up. And if you're not ready yet, don't worry, I have a free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge that I'm teaching live very, very soon. Go ahead and get signed up in the description box. In the free challenge, I'll go over the 3 steps that the Lord allowed me to use to start my side hustle as a faith-based author, including figuring out what my niche was, building my audience of book readers, and then writing books and selling them through sales funnels. So click the link in the description box to sign up for the upcoming challenge. And don't forget to watch this video to help you scale your author business much faster. God bless you, and Jesus willing, I'll see you on the challenge.